Are you tired of using the same old fonts on CapCut PC? Do you want to add a personal touch to your videos by using custom fonts? Well, you're in luck, because today I will show you how to add custom fonts on CapCut PC step by step. Visit dafont.com. Type your favorite font name in the search bar and click Search. Download the font file to your computer. Locate the downloaded font file on your computer. Extract the font file from the zip file. Open the extracted font file and click Install on the preview page to install it on your PC. Open CapCut and start a new project or open an existing one. Click on the Text button to add text to your video. In the text editing window, click on the Font drop-down menu. Scroll down to the System Fonts section. Your newly installed font should now appear in the list. Select it to apply it to your text.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance with your website, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.